sensations on the edge of stolen time. We